Hi students, as you already learned how to change command settings for point creations in Civil 3D, now we will learn about point file format and we will learn about how can you create new point file format in Civil 3D. There are many videos on YouTube about point files or point importing into Civil 3D, but there is not any video related to point file format. If we have any other point file format, then how can we make new point file format to import our points in Civil 3D? A common using of importing points using point file format in the case of a name based point file. Since point file formats used for import are stored in the drawing, this is another item that you would want to have already set up in your Civil 3D template. In this exercise, we will create a new file format to accommodate names instead of point numbers. For this exercise, you can download this drawing from this description link. I will put this drawing for you. Then go to setting tab. Here choose points, and here you can see point file formats. So just right click and press new. You can also access this functionality on the fly from the import points dialog box, which you already know about that. Select user point file and click OK. Here you can put the name like name NEZD comma delimited. Okay, now toggle on the delimited by option and put here comma. Click the first unused column heading here. Select name from the column name pull down and press OK. It's our name. For this name, now we have N. So we will click on unused column, and here you will see northing. Then don't change precision and invalid indicator, just click OK. Again you will do same for easting, same for elevation, point elevation, and at the end we have a raw description. So you can make your own format here for any of your field data according to your. Be sure to add the column in the correct order, or the format will not work with the example file which we are using for this exercise. You may notice that as you use an items from the column name list, it is no longer available for use in another column. So make sure about these orders. To test the format, now our format has been ready, but we need to test that. For that, we will click on the load, and here I will put this file also in the description link for your testing. You can download and use it for this exercise. And then click on the purse. When you will click on the purse, your format will show here. If the format is correctly ordered like this, then you can see your coordinates, names, northing, easting, everything according to my screen. So click OK to complete your file format. Hope you like this video. For more advanced techniques with Civil 3D, stay tuned with us.